need to focus on the outcome that we all care about, which is solving climate change, tackling air pollution. My name's Kirsty Gogan. I've been working on environmental issues for my whole life. So as an environmentalist, I was by default anti-nuclear. The scale and urgency of climate change demands that we not only replace our entire existing fossil fuel energy infrastructure, but probably double or triple it in order to meet rising global energy demand. I want to be able to say to my children that there was no technology that I didn't look at in our efforts to solve this problem whilst we still have time. There is a perception that if you're pro-nuclear, that means you're anti-renewables, but this is not nuclear versus renewables. We need all of the clean energy sources. That means that we need a lot of innovation thrown in as well. Nuclear technology is going to be needed alongside wind and solar in order to solve climate change.